Okay, so first thing, what is Jenkins? So when we say Jenkins, Jenkins is a CI tool. Okay, Jenkins is a CI tool. When we say CI, so typically what we do, CI means continuous integration. We know that. So when we do that, then first thing which you do, plan, right? Then second thing which we do, coding. Third thing which we do, analyze the code. Analyze the code. And fourth thing we do, build the code. Fifth thing we do, unit testing. Sixth thing we do, unit testing. After that, packaging. And what we do, archiving. And after that, we do deploy to QA. Okay. And finally, we perform acceptance testing. And then if it is passed, then finally code coverage. So these whole things we perform. Okay. So here for the planning, we take the Jira. Coding, we take Git. Analysis, we take SonarQube. Build, we take Maven. Unit testing, we do JUnit. Packaging, jar file, var file, Maven, you can use it. For this archiving, Artifactory, we use. Deploying Ansible. Acceptance testing, Selenium and JMeter. And code coverage, Jacob. So these are the things which we do primarily in each project. So now what is CI then? So, and where the Jenkins is coming? So Jenkins is a tool which is helping you to integrate everything. So if you look at this here, now Jenkins is a tool which can help us to integrate with Jira, Git, SonarQube, Maven, JUnit, Maven, Artifactory, Ansible, Selenium, Jacopo. So now it's become a tool which can integrate everything. That is something which we do that. That's the reason we call it Jenkins as an integration tool. Okay, CI integrate. It integrate continuously, and then you get the immediate feedback also. Okay, feedback also. How do we get immediate feedback? So you get an email, chat, all these different dashboard and all. And then on top of that, it can also scheduling capability. You have it, like you want to schedule on commit, on push, certain time, certain day, or some certain things. So this is a Jenkins. Are you able to understand that, all of you? All of you?
Yes, Rajesh.
Okay. So now I'm going to install the Jenkins and I'm going to use it. So let's do that. So here we have one machine which I'm going to get it. So create virtual machines. Now let's create Jenkins and virtual machine name is Jenkins. Here I'll go for Ubuntu. You can go for anything else also. And I want so in the South India it's not there. So let's go for some other region and username is here. So I'll go for the password based. So Azure user and password is Jenkins $123 something like that. Okay, done. Now allow this one, all this thing port next to disk. So that's okay for timing, networking, management, and monitoring advanced, and tag review. And finally create. So this machine I created just for the installation, so I will do the installations in front of you.
Rajesh, is this open source or paid subscription for the Jenkins?
No, this is a Jenkins is a free tool, but
Okay.
cloud is paid.
Okay.
So here I got these machines. Just wait for a few seconds. Hmm. So and so user is Azure user, enter, and password is this one. Okay, so I should be logged in now. Here it is. Now let me become a root. That is the something which you have. So setting, I'll make this color better. Okay, so now let's install the Jenkins. So how do we install the Jenkins? So go to this Jenkins, download. First thing you have to install the Java. Okay, so Java installation DevOpsSchool. This one, Java 11 is okay. So I'm installing Java now. Update JDK. And done. Done. Now last command. This is done. So Jenkins installation is Java installation is done. Now I'll do the Jenkins installation. So here, this is the page and Ubuntu, my operating system, and I need to run this all commands. One and second one and third one. This is a OpenJDK is already installed by the way. So fourth one and last one, which you see here, is this one. That's all. So Jenkins will be installed. So now, so yes, Jenkins is a, you know, Jenkins is a Java based tool. Okay, now it's open source. Okay, it open source, free. Okay, free, and so on. So yeah, that is something. I install the Java. And systemctl restart Jenkins. So I'm starting the Jenkins. Now Jenkins is available on 8080 port. Remember that. So if you look at this Jenkins, the port number which I have not opened up. So for that, let me open up the port number first. Where is that? Here. So go for networking here, and now here you have all this port is open 20443 and all. So I'm going to open up 8080 port. So here 8080 port. Okay, and add this. Okay, so now I added this 8080 port. So now this is the one, and 8080. So let's check it out. You may have some things. Let me check the status running or not. See, it's running right now, and now it's accessing. Now there is one secret line for this Jenkins. So you can copy this and here Jenkins will have lots of features. So if you want to have suggested features, go for this one. If you know that what need to be installed, you can go for this one, but I'll go for suggested feature. So all the plugins got installed. Done. What is username? So username is admin, password is admin123, admin123, Rajesh Kumar, and feed some email ID, and that's admin123 and save it, and finish. So this is your Jenkins. Any questions so far?
Rajesh, can you
Any
go
question?
to like where you showed the network key, um, few steps back, where you got the ID
That is
from?
a ID. This path will be given to you, and just you have to more and this one. That's all. This thing.
Okay. And where was this path located? In the under network, right?
While installation, they will tell you.
Okay.
This is the fixed location.
Okay.
Okay, so now what to do? So we are going to create a job for build UT package. This is something which you are going to do now. This job, 3 jobs I'm creating. So how do you do that? So for that you need to have some source code. So GitHub.
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.